Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use Granola AI with Zoom. This is a great way to capture meeting notes automatically. With Granola AI, we can summarize key insights while we focus on the conversation. Now, let's get started. On your web browser, we install Granola. We go to the Granola website and get redirected to the home page. From there, we just need to click Download for Windows and then install it. After installation, it will look like this. This is the Granola homepage. To use Granola AI, we simply open Zoom. When we join a new meeting, Granola will usually pop up a notification asking to take notes automatically. If we do not see that notification, don't worry. When we start a meeting, Granola should still notify us here to take notes. It will take notes, and the notification will come from Granola. However, if we do not see any notification in the upper right, all we need to do is open Granola manually and select Quick Note. Granola will then start taking notes automatically. Granola listens in the background and records all the notes from our meeting for us. And that's how we use Granola AI with Zoom.